8 years ago, when I became a grandma for the very first time, something inside me shifted. I didn't want to miss the little moments of my granddaughter's life, the first giggles, the bedtime stories, the sleepovers. In a perfect world, I would have quit my 9 to 5 right then and there and poured all my time and energy into loving that little girl. But we don't live in a perfect world, do we? The reality was, we were stupid short for retirement, and I still needed to make an income, not just to thrive, but to actually survive retirement. We got our financial act together late, and that's what propelled me to start searching for a different type of income, one where I controlled my time, one where I decided how much I worked and when I worked, because what I really wanted back was my time. Here's the funny part. I didn't have any tech skill. Like, I wasn't young or trendy, and honestly, my 50-year-old brain felt more like dial-up than high-speed internet. But I'd seen a lot of these young people making money online, and I thought to myself, sheesh, if they can figure it out, why can't I? And here's the proof. Okay. So since the beginning of August, I've already made $47,281.98. Today, it's only August 20th as I'm recording this video. So if you've ever thought that can't be me, stick around, my friend, because I'm going to prove that it absolutely can. I'm going to share with you the 5 keys that changed everything for me. Now, before we dive in, don't forget to grab my Freedom Formula Blueprint. It's completely free, and it's the exact step-by-step strategy that I use to go from super stuck and overwhelmed to building a flexible online income. You can grab the link in the description below. So, to begin with, you need something to sell. Here's the truth. You can't make money online without a product. You need something to exchange for moolah. In reality, there are only 2 paths. 1, you can create your own digital product, or 2, you can promote a done-for-you product that's already created. Let's talk about creating your own digital product. Here's the big pro of that you own it. You control the pricing, you keep 100% of the profit. Now here's the bad part. When you're brand new, like me, it feels a little overwhelming. That's exactly how I felt. I didn't have the skill set, the confidence, or even a clue what I would create. So for me, it wasn't even the best starting point. Now, promoting a done-for-you product like affiliate marketing and systems or physical products from Amazon, this one felt way more doable. I didn't have to create anything from scratch. I could simply share somebody else's product, program, or system. Now, the pro, easy entry point. It's already built, packaged, and ready to go. The con, the commissions vary, especially with Amazon. You're looking at anywhere between 3 to 6% for a physical product. And on digital programs, you can get anywhere from 25 to 50%. So it's good money, but not exactly life-changing unless you scale it really big. So personally, I started with affiliate marketing because that seemed like something that I could actually wrap my head around. And yes, I did make a little bit of money, but here's the twist. About 8 months later, I stumbled across something else. Something that completely changed the game for me. And I'll share what that is in just a little bit. But here's a quick question for you. If you could sell anything online, what would it be? Would you rather create your own product or start with something that is done for you? Drop your answers in the comments below. I would love to hear your thoughts. And you know what? It might even spark some ideas for others watching the video too. But here is the thing that I wish I knew sooner. It doesn't matter what product you have, whether it's your own or somebody else's. Like, if you don't know how to get people viewing your products, you can't sell them. And that's why this next step is so key if you want to sell anything online. Selling itself isn't bad. When I first thought about starting an online business, the idea of selling made me kind of cringe. Because in my head, selling meant being pushy, like one of those kind of sleazy, hard salesmen, the ones who care more about the deal than they do about you. That held me back for a little while, like in my mind. I thought, I'm not a salesperson. I could never do that. But then I had a little bit of a shift in my thinking. I realized selling isn't about pressure. It's about helping people get what they really want. At least that's what good selling is. So think about it. We recommend products, TV shows, restaurants all the time. At least I do. And that's selling. We don't get paid for it though. So once I understood that, once I got comfortable, set my mindset right that selling is really about helping, I thought, okay, I can do this. But then came the next challenge. How do I actually turn that into a message? How do I make a video or a post that connects with people and makes them feel like, yes, that's exactly what I need? That's when I discovered the real secret here, which is digital marketing. So, digital marketing was my aha moment. This was the moment everything changed for me. I realized that if I wanted to create a real income online, I couldn't just try random things. I needed to learn a real skill set, and not just any skill set, the skill set that connects any product to people who already want it. That skill is digital marketing. When I read that Forbes called digital marketing the number one skill set that you need if you want to make money online, then that sealed it for me. I knew this was the skill that would open the doors to my future. Now, it didn't matter if I wanted to sell my own product, an Amazon product, or somebody else's system. If I didn't know how to market it, nothing else would matter. That is when I decided I had to invest in myself, not spend on myself, invest in myself, because education is what creates opportunity. So I went searching. One of the first things I found was a digital marketing course at a local college. You can check it out right here. So it was a 10-week program that cost $2,450. And yes, it gives you a certification. But once the course was done, you were on your own. No product to sell, no mentorship, no ongoing support, just a piece of paper with a certification and a whole lot of figuring out by yourself. Now, I knew I didn't want to go back to college. I didn't want to sit in a classroom, rack up my debt, and still end up tied to someone else's schedule. I wanted something that fit around my life. And that's when I discovered e-learning. And most importantly, I could learn directly from people already doing what I wanted to do. Now, that was my big aha moment. Like understanding that digital marketing wasn't just a skill, it was the skill that I needed to create the freedom that I desired. And when I found a program that not only taught me this skill set, but also gave me the ability to earn from it, while I was learning, that's when everything shifted. Like, boo. And that's exactly what I'm going to share with you in the next step here. So, hey, if you're curious about this whole business model, what it looks like, I've got a free class that breaks it down step by step. You can literally learn and see how it all works, why it's been a game changer for me, and you can grab that link below. Then I discovered there were other e-learning options, and these made a lot more sense for me. I wanted something that I could fit into my life. Something I could learn around being a grandma, working full time, and still being present with my family. E learning gave me that flexibility. I could hit pause, rewind, and watch lessons whenever I needed to, which often happened more times than not. But after looking at a bunch of programs online, some were crazy expensive, some that honestly felt a little kind of sketchy, I finally settled on this one that I took. And here's why. This program taught me everything that I needed about digital marketing: how to market online, how to use social media, how to create content, and even how to do video marketing the right way. But it didn't stop there. It also came with a complete business in a box. That actually solved my biggest issue because in the beginning, it's like, what product do I sell? So this gave me the product, it gave me the education, and it gave me the rights to resell the program itself for 100% profit. And when I realized just one sale could cover my entire investment and every sale after that was pure profit, but here's what really made the difference. This program didn't just give me information. It gave me live coaching, ongoing mentorship, tech support, and a community of people walking the same path that I was. So for me, stepping into a brand new skill set in an online world that felt totally foreign to me, that kind of support was absolutely priceless. I knew this was the smartest move that I would ever make. So once I had the education, the products, and the support, the last piece that brought it all together was automation. Because let's be honest, none of us want to create another full-time job for ourselves. I didn't want to be glued to my phone all day answering messages. I didn't want to chase people down or manually walk everyone through a process. I wanted a system that could work in the background so I could live my life and still have my business running for me. And that's exactly what this program gave me. It came with a complete freedom machine, is what I call it, a fully automated system that connected all the dots. Here's exactly how it works. Someone watches a video or sees a post. They click on a link to get the information they need right away. Their email address goes into my system, and the system follows up automatically. or automagically, I say, building trust, answering questions, and pointing them towards the solution. All of that happens on their time, not mine. That's when it really hit me. Automation is what gives you your freedom back. It's what lets me to be able to camp with my grandkids, travel with my husband, or just sit in my backyard with a cup of tea and still have sales coming in. And the beauty of this program was that I didn't have to figure out the tech on my own. It handed me the automation, the products, the skill set, everything in one place. That's what took me from being stuck and overwhelmed to finally feeling free. So here's the truth. If a 50-year-old grandma who started with zero tech skills and zero experience can build a business like this, then you can too. Because this isn't about being the smartest or the trendiest or the youngest. Thank goodness. It's about learning a skill set that works for any product and using a system that gives you back your time. That's what allowed me to retire early, build a flexible income, and most importantly, be present for the moments with my grandkids that I refused to miss. If you're ready for the next steps and you're going to want to grab my Freedom Formula Blueprint and check out the free class that shows you this exact business model step by step. Because at the end of the day, this isn't just about making money. It's about getting your time back and building a life of freedom with the people that you love most. So now that you know how I built a 6-figure online income after 50 years old, you might be wondering, okay, Wendy, but how fast can this actually work? Well, here's the kicker. I used this exact same strategy to retire myself at age 55, just 8 months after I started. And if you want to see exactly how I did it, go and watch this video right here. When you pair that with what you just learned today, you'll realize how completely doable this is for you too. So click that next video and I'll meet you over there, my friend.